out here. We're gonna get some events going. So yeah, come on. What's up, man?
What's up? How's it going?
Oh, we'll do that. So y'all couldn't finish the dually, huh?
Nope. So I gotta bring this ugly piece of garbage everywhere.
Nah, I like that one.
It's alright.
I like that one.
Wish I could drive the
I mean, I don't know about the trade though.
I like it. It's pretty decent.
I mean, I've never seen a second gen, at least a second gen bag dually.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it a lot.
Something different. I get bored too quick, so can't really get. I'm not gonna get bored of this as fast.
Yeah, I mean, you haven't got bored of your brown truck.
No. Well, nobody wants to give me $100,000 for it, so.
Oh, okay, yeah. I mean, that's fair.
Yeah.
So what's next besides that one?
A lot. A trailer, to be honest. I need to
Okay.
bring a trailer.
Okay.
44-foot gooseneck.
Okay, what you going? Okay, so you got that truck. You are y'all still gonna fix her truck?
Yes. And that's gonna be as tall as my big one was. Yeah. I kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're not gonna talk about
Yeah,
it.
it's fine.
Yeah.
I had a little accident.
But it was good talking to you, man.
Nice, man.
I'll catch you later.
Yeah.
Go ahead. gonna check out some trucks over here. We got Corey truck right there. So we're gonna come on.
Few moments later.
So yeah, we out here in the American Force booth, and they got so many nice trucks in here. One day we gonna be in here. Mark my words. But yeah, we just walking around, just checking out different kind of trucks. It's a fun experience, man. I can't lie. But it's just motivation to do better, man. Be better. Hey, how you doing? But yeah, it's nice, man.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like
thank y'all for tuning into the video. Had a fun time at LST, met a whole bunch of new people. Yeah, but new lift coming soon, so let me show y'all what happened. Come on. So look, keep in mind, I just brought brand new ball joints for this truck, because they were going out. Look. I got air ride on here now. With no air. Air ride with no air. So yeah, stay tuned to see what happens next. What new lift we going with. I mean, I might as well go big or go home. Gotta get it fixed anyway, so thank y'all for watching again, and y'all stay groovy. Yeah.
Hold up, Mike. Whoa. Gonna have to jack it up again.
Okay. Okay.
Hey, babe.
Yes, ma'am.
I can make a little pay for a new lift. It's not damaged per se looking at it, but I'm sure it's more.
Let me get up there and turn the headlights and stuff off.
Hang on, baby. Let him get it on the trailer first. Or let Davey get up there because the insurance